very important for the Hazleton plant because the demographics are changing. We have over that 60% of population that is Hispanic. So that's the reason that it's very important to adapt to that change.
It feels great to be leading the first bilingual plant in the U.S. Before the program, we were not getting a lot of people with manufacturing or warehouse experience.
Hola has helped us to open our doors to a lot more qualified, experienced individuals.
Project Hola means to me just the future of the company. The Hershey company is a great company to work for, so it's amazing that we give the opportunity to others to join, besides their language barrier.
Disfruto trabajar en Hershey, las oportunidades que me han dado de crecimiento, cómo he ido creciendo en la compañía. He disfrutado mucho el trato.
We have translator apps available as well as bilingual shift assistants to support us in the short term until we have all of the programs in place that we can sustain this on a long-term basis.
It's bringing in better employment, more opportunities for everyone in the local area.
Lo que más me gusta es que me siento en casa.
So Milton Hershey and the Hershey Company have had a great legacy of partnering with communities and supporting those communities over time. And so one of our key pillars of our business transformation is people first manufacturing. What that means is we need to create an environment in our plants where people want to come work and then stay for a long career. Hola takes advantage of this great diverse community in Hazleton. It helps us bring in a stronger workforce, a more diverse workforce, which makes the company stronger at the end of the day.